o'lgan ko'chalarda umid uzma aziz xalqim, umid uzma ey ana yurt. Biz atlandık bu kurashga, o'yil tashdek uyushib. Allah berse bu nusratni, bizgilarimiz sap-sap bulup, zalimlarni yig'latgudek, Oğuz kabi küçlük bulup, lapıldaydı asminingda, ko'z chaqnitib shu kuni. Ay yıldızlık gök bayrağım, ey ana makan. Ay yıldızlık gök bayrağım.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to a special episode of Talk East Turkestan. Today I have with me Rahima Mahmut. And today we're going to be talking about the UK Parliament's recognition of what's happening to the Uyghurs as a genocide by the Chinese regime. So just a quick introduction of who Rahima is. She's a Uyghur singer, a human rights activist, and award-winning translator of the poignant prison memoir, The Land Drenched in Tears by Soyungu Chanishev. Her latest work includes working as a consultant and translator for the ITV documentary Undercover, Inside China's Digital Gulag, shown July 2019, which won many major awards, including a BAFTA, TV, and International Emmy on Current Affairs in 2020. Currently, she is the UK project director of the World Uyghur Congress and advisor to the Inter-Parliamentary Alliance on China, otherwise known as IPAC. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome our guest tonight, Ms. Rahima Mahmut. How are you today, sister? Sister, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, sister. Rahima, can you hear me? Hello?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Aslan.
Oh, that's strange. Hold
For
on
some reason.
Okay,
No
1 second.
sound.
Hello, hello, testing. Did you want to? She must be muted. No, she's not muted. Have you got me muted, perhaps?
No sound. I can't
No
hear
sound.
you.
Okay. I'll message you. I'll keep the show going.
It was working earlier
Yeah, that's very
for
strange.
some reason.
It said
No
sound is
idea
good.
what
Perhaps you've got me muted. No? Hello? That's very strange.
happened. Check the.
Hold on. I'll call you. I'll call you here. I guess this is what happens on live shows sometimes. Apparently they can all hear us.
Sound.
I'll call you here and then.
Yeah,
Hello,
I
can
can't
you hear
hear
me
you, Arslan.
at all?
I can't hear
I'm
you
trying
at
to
all.
call you. Do you want to pick up your phone? Do you want to pick up your phone? Can you see me?
Okay, I need to get.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, if I take out that.
Hello, hello. I'm trying to call you. Can you see me?
I'm sorry, I can't really hear you, and this is
Yeah.
not working.
Okay.
I know earlier when it was fine earlier.
Yeah.
Um,
Can you see me at all?
you asked me to use more of phone.
No. I'm trying to call you. I'm trying to
Okay.
call you. I'm trying to call you.
Yeah, please call me.
Yeah. Hello? Guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this live stream and I'm gonna set up a new stream, okay? I'm gonna set up a new stream.